So what are the main issues or the ways that these things affect the workers in terms of their lives and their living conditions?
The workers are living in spaces which were there for generations, and generations of workers are living in the same space, so it is so congested, and they may have to everyone or a number of family members living in same space. And that is because the workers do not have housing rights. These houses belong to the plantations, and workers do not have the land rights. In most of the cases, the land do not belong, so they cannot construct more houses as their family grows bigger. And the other thing is that their dependency on their food, medicine, water, sanitation on the plantations. So the plantations provide all these things. The third is in terms of how the wages are determined. The wages are so determined that the workers are getting very low wages. It will have to be increased. And these are some of the most important things that they experience. And also, in a household, if there are maybe 10 people living together, maybe 2 or 3 people are employed in the plantations on a regular basis. But the rest of the people are temporary workers. Once in a while they get job, and sometimes they may not get jobs. So there is a huge unemployment which is over there.